Welcome to Aliexpress. Top 5 Best Remote Control Helicopter 2024. Hello and welcome, everyone, to Aliexpress. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this exciting journey together. Welcome to the exciting world of remote control helicopters. In this video, we take you on a thrilling journey through the skies with our high-performance RC helicopter. Get ready to experience the joy of piloting your own aircraft as we showcase the incredible capabilities and features of this amazing flying machine. Join us as we demonstrate the agility, speed, and precision of our remote control helicopter in both indoor and outdoor settings. From smooth hover maneuvers to thrilling aerial stunts, there's no limit to the excitement you'll experience with this RC helicopter. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner looking to take to the skies for the first time, our comprehensive review and demonstration will provide you with all the information you need to get started. Learn about the different controls, flight modes, and safety features that make this RC helicopter perfect for pilots of all skill levels. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we showcase the endless possibilities of remote control helicopter flight. Whether you're flying solo or competing with friends, the sky's the limit with our incredible RC helicopter. Feel free to customize this description based on the specific features and capabilities of the remote control helicopter you're showcasing in your video. Parked in original Altoi's K110 SRC helicopter. 2.4G 6CH3D/6G system brushless motor. 2.4G 6CH3D/6G system brushless motor. Quadcopter remote control toy aircraft drone. Original SYMA S109G alloy gunship. Anti-fall remote control helicopter. Children's remote control toy. M5 remote control helicopter. Altitude hold 3.5 channel RC helicopters with gyro and LED light durable. Airplane drone toy gift. Remote control helicopter, aircraft with altitude hold, 1 key. Takeoff/landing, 3.5 channel, gyro stabilizer. New C-187 remote controlled aircraft. EC-135 model remote controlled helicopter. Single blade aileron free aircraft. Model toy gift. I believe that a YouTube channel is more than just videos, it's a community. So, I encourage you to join our community by subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell, and engaging with the content through likes, comments, and shares. Your feedback and participation mean the world to me, and I'm here to listen to your suggestions and ideas. Once again, thank you for tuning in and choosing to be a part of Aliexpress. I'm incredibly excited about the content we have in store, and I can't wait to connect with each and every one of you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world